Hello and welcome to Basic Punctuation. In this video, we'll be talking about how to use the apostrophe. The apostrophe looks a lot like a comma because it's small and also curls like a hook. However, an apostrophe sits high on the line and is used very differently from the comma. Let's look at two main uses for the apostrophe. One way to use an apostrophe is to show possession. Possession means that something belongs to someone, just like your shoes belong to you, your brother's games belong to him, and your mom's recipe book belongs to her. Using an apostrophe followed by the letter S indicates that objects or things belong to someone. Take the phrase, Mary's jumping rope. As you can see, the apostrophe and the letter S follow Mary's name because the jumping rope belongs to Mary. Another common way to use the apostrophe is when writing contractions. Contractions are the shortened form of one or two words. In a contraction, the apostrophe takes the place of the missing letter or letters. So, for example, you can say I am, but you can also shorten these two words into one word by removing the A and replacing it with an apostrophe to form the word I'm. Some other examples are Luke's bike, Grandma's house, his sister's computer. For each of these, we added an apostrophe S to indicate possession. Some other examples of using apostrophes in contractions are she is becomes she's. He will becomes he'll. They are becomes their. Would have becomes would've. Cannot becomes can't. And there you have it, 2 ways to use the apostrophe in your writing. Thanks for watching, and make sure to keep practicing what you learned with our fun games and quizzes on Always Ice Cream and Clever Dragons.